In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a calendar to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add a calendar. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, go to the Build tab, scroll down to the Installed Apps section and click Add App to open the Weebly App Center. Search for Calendar and choose the calendar app that best fits your needs. Click Add, then connect to install the app on your website. Return to the website editor and open the Installed Apps section. Drag the calendar app onto the page where you want the calendar to appear. Click the calendar to customize its settings. Add your events, adjust the layout, and configure any display options to match your website's design. Preview your website to make sure the calendar appears and works correctly. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to add a calendar to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.